You're at home. It's quiet. Maybe you're lying on your bed. Maybe you're scrolling on your phone. Maybe you're just waiting. You ordered food about 20 minutes ago and you almost forgot about it. Then suddenly, your phone rings.
Yeah, I already feel nervous just hearing that.
Exactly. You look at the screen, it's a number you don't know.
And I immediately think, okay, this is the driver.
Right. And in that small moment before you answer, you feel something.
Yeah, pressure.
Not big pressure, but enough to make you uncomfortable.
Because I know I need to speak English and I'm not ready.
Exactly. You didn't prepare. You didn't think about what to say. It just happens.
Yeah, it's too fast.
So let's slow it down. The phone is still ringing. You take a small breath. You answer. What do you say?
Hello?
Perfect. Just hello? That's all you need.
That part is okay.
Good. Now the driver starts speaking.
And I don't understand anything.
That's normal. They speak fast. Maybe they are on the street, maybe there's noise, maybe the connection is not clear.
Yeah, I hear something, but I don't catch the meaning.
And this is the moment where many people make a mistake.
They stay quiet?
Exactly.
Yeah, I do that. I just listen and hope I understand.
And what happens?
I get more confused.
Right, the driver keeps talking and you feel more lost.
Yes, exactly.
So instead of staying quiet, you need to do something very simple.
What?
You say, sorry?
Sorry?
Yes, short, natural, and very powerful. It tells the driver, I didn't understand. Please repeat.
That feels easy.
Good. And don't be afraid to say it again.
So I can say it 2 times?
Yes, even 3 times. That's completely normal.
That makes me feel less stressed.
Good. Now imagine the driver says, I'm here.
Sometimes I understand that, but sometimes I don't hear clearly.
So what do you do?
Sorry?
Exactly. Then they repeat, I'm here.
Okay, now I understand.
Good. Now you respond. Keep it simple.
Okay.
Or you can say, 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yes, that means, wait, I will come.
That's useful.
Very useful.
But sometimes I still feel nervous, even with simple words.
That's normal. It's not about the words, it's about the situation.
Yeah, I feel like I don't want to make a mistake.
Let me tell you a quick story.
Okay.
One time, I answered a delivery call and I was so nervous that I said hello 2 times.
2 times?
Yes, I said hello, hello, and then I forgot what to say next.
That sounds like me.
Exactly, and the driver just laughed and said, it's okay.
Really?
Yes, because this situation is normal. Everyone feels like this sometimes.
That makes me feel better.
Good. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going.
Hello, sorry, 1 minute.
Perfect. That's your base.
Yeah, that feels simple now.
Good. And this is just the beginning. In the next part, the driver will ask you a question and the situation becomes more real.
Yeah, I'm ready.
So now you answered the phone, you said hello, you used sorry when you didn't understand, and you said 1 minute. That's already a very good start.
Yeah, I feel better than before. At least now I know what to say in the first few seconds.
Good, but now the situation becomes more real. The driver is not just calling to say, I'm here.
Yeah, they usually can't find me.
Exactly, and then they ask you a question.
Where are you?
Yes, and sometimes you don't hear that clearly.
Yeah, sometimes I only hear where you.
Right, so what do you do?
I say sorry.
Perfect. Always go back to simple.
Okay.
Then the driver repeats, where are you?
Now I understand.
Good. Now you need to respond. And here is something important. Many people try to give a long explanation.
Yeah, I feel like I need to explain everything clearly.
But you don't. You just need something simple and clear.
So what can I say?
You can say, I'm outside.
I'm outside.
Yes, that's one of the best answers.
That feels easy.
Exactly. Or you can say, I'm at the door.
I'm at the door.
Good. That's a little more specific.
Yeah, that sounds better.
Now imagine the driver says, I don't see you.
Yeah, that's where I start to panic again.
That's normal. So what do you do now?
I don't know. Maybe I repeat, I'm outside.
Yes, that's the common reaction, but repeating the same thing again and again doesn't help.
Yeah, I've done that before. It doesn't work.
So instead, you need to add a small detail.
Like what?
You can say, near the door, next to the car.
Next to the car.
Yes, or near the door, under the sign.
Under the sign.
Good.
So I build the picture step by step.
Exactly. You're helping the driver see you in their mind.
That makes sense.
Now let's continue the situation.
I don't see you.
Near the door next to the car.
Which door?
Oh, that's harder.
Yes, but still simple.
You can say main door
Main door.
or front door.
Front door.
Good.
So I don't need long sentences, just clear words.
Exactly.
But what if they still don't see me?
Good question. This is where you change your thinking.
How?
You stop only explaining and you start asking.
Oh, I ask them?
Yes, you say, "Where are you?"
Where are you?
Exactly. Now the conversation becomes two ways.
That feels better.
Yes, because now you're not alone.
Okay, let's try that. I don't see you.
Near the door next to the car.
Which door?
Main door.
Still don't see you.
Where are you? Good.
That feels more active.
Yes, now the driver might say, "I'm near the street."
Okay, now I understand their position.
Exactly. Now you can adjust.
So I can move or look in that direction.
Right. Now let's add one more important tool.
What is it?
Sometimes you're not sure if you understand correctly.
Yeah, that happens a lot.
So you check. You repeat what they said.
Like what?
You are near the street?
You are near the street?
Yes.
That helps confirm.
Exactly. It avoids mistakes.
That's very useful.
Now let's put everything together.
Okay,
Where are you?
I'm outside.
I don't see you.
Near the door next to the car.
Which door?
Main door.
Still don't see you.
Where are you?
Good.
That feels more active.
Yes, now the driver might say, "I'm near the street."
You are near the street?
Yes.
Okay, now I understand.
Perfect.
Yeah, this feels much more real now.
Because it is real.
And I'm still using simple English.
Exactly. That's the key.
I feel more confident now.
Good. And next time your phone rings,
I won't panic.
perfect.